Good morning, dear students. Yesterday, I have given from chapter 5 acid, bases, and salts till match the statements. And today, I will give from the answer the following. Answer the following. First one, name three organic and three inorganic acids. Organic, first one is the organic acid, citric acid, oxalic acid, amino acids, and inorganic acids, sulfuric acids, nitric acid, and hydrochloric acid. Sulfuric acid, nitric acid, and hydrochloric acid. Second question is the what are indicators? Name any three indicators and state the color changes which takes place in acids and base. So indicators you can write from keywords, and indicators the complex naturally occurring substances which change their color on coming in contact with acidic or basic substances are called the indicators. And what are the effect litmus and indicators? Three indicators name you can write: litmus, china rose, turmeric solution. And effect on acid: blue to red. Effect on base: red to blue. Effect on acid: deep pink, light green, original yellow color, and brownish red. This is the question is the what are indicators, and name any three indicators and state the color change which takes place in acids and bases. Next question is the what are neutral substances? Give examples of two neutral substances. Neutral substances which are neither acidic nor basic and which do not affect indicators are called neutral substances. Example: distilled water, alcohol. What are the neutral substances? Substances which are neither acidic nor basic and which do not affect indicators are called the neutral substances. Example: distilled water and alcohol. Next question, question number 4. You are given three unlabeled bottles A, B, and C containing colorless solution such that one of them is acid and other basic and the third neutral. How will you distinguish between them by using china rose as an indicator? If color changes to deep pink, then it is acid. If color changes to light green, then it is basic. And if the color does not change, then it is neutral. So in question number 4, if color changes to deep pink, then it is acid. If the color changes to light green, then it is basic. And if the color does not change, then it is neutral. Now come to the question number 5. What do you understand by the term neutralization? What do you understand by the term neutralization? And describe an activity in which neutralization of hydrochloric acid takes place with the sodium hydroxide using phenolphthalein solution. So in this you will write this activity. In this, first you will write the definition of neutralization, and then you will write this activity 5.5 in question number 5 to show that acids react with alkalis and a neutralization reaction takes place. Materials required: dilute sodium hydroxide solution, dilute hydrochloric acid or lemon juice or phenolphthalein solution, beaker, dropper. And this, so answer, this is the answer 5. Answer 5 full activity you have to write in this full activity you have to write in this. And now come to the question number 6. Explain why. Explain why. Farmers add slacked lime to acidic soils because these chemicals neutralize soil acids and hence soil becomes neutral. Second one is the soap solution or baking soda paste is applied on the part of the body stung by a bee because these substances neutralizes the effect of formic acid to some extent and hence help in relieving pain. Factory wastage and city sewage is neutralized before discharging in rivers because the wastage of many factories contain acid. If these wastes are directly discharged in a river or a lake, they kill the fish and the other living organism. Antacids are used for relieving acidity in the stomach because it contains milk of magnesia and aluminum hydroxide, and this hydroxide neutralizes excess hydrochloric acid and hence help in the controlling acidity in the stomach. Now next question is the give 4 differences between acids and alkalis. You can write from here differences. Here it is given general properties of acids and general properties of bases. So you can write answer 7 from here. Differences you can write from here. And question number 8, write an equation for the reaction in which hydrochloric acid neutralizes sodium. You can write this answer 8, and you can write this reaction HCl NaOH NaCl plus H2O plus heat. This reaction you have to write in 8, HCl NaOH NaCl H2O plus heat. So this is all about chapter 5, acid, bases and salts completed, and you have to write in copy.